It's astounding. How intense is this feeling? Anger is building up. You need some healing. But listen closely. There's a way to do it. Feel the power. Keep control. Work on through it.
Instead of those wild knee-jerk reactions, you gotta get your own attention. Emotions come calling. Instead of just falling to brawling, they calling, or whining and falling.
Stop. Name your feel and calm down. Stop. Name your feel and calm down.
Stop! Give yourself a signal like stop. Chill. Hold up. Hang on.
You send a signal to yourself, then stop.
Okay. Now name your feeling. Are you angry, embarrassed, worried, scared? Figure it out and name it.
Just name your feeling.
It's just the thing.
It slows you down and makes you think. And then you start to calm right down by just breathing, using self-talk or counting. And a 1, 2, 3. Stop. Name your feeling, calm down. Stop. Name your feeling, calm down.
Remember this. When you have strong feelings like anger, fear, or jealousy, before they take over, you take that power. Emotions don't drive you. You have the key.
By slowing it down and feeling your power and naming your particular feeling. You're stopping the landslide. You're taking that deep breath, saying good things. You can do this.